The 2017 Volkswagen Jetta uses the MIB2 infotainment system, which commonly experiences several persistent issues that affect daily driving. These systems suffer from black screen failures, audio malfunctions, complete system freezes, and touch responsiveness problems that can make the infotainment system completely unusable. As of 2025, Volkswagen has extended warranty coverage for certain infotainment failures, released multiple software updates, and independent repair shops now offer specialized refurbishment services. When your infotainment system fails, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and potentially resolve the issue. First, attempt a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then wait 30 seconds before attempting to restart the system. Next, check fuses 5, 42, and 47 in the main fuse box. These control the infotainment power, audio system, and display module respectively. Verify your battery voltage is above 12 volts using a multimeter. Low voltage is a common cause of infotainment system instability and failures. Finally, inspect all antenna and USB connections for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Poor connections can cause intermittent system failures and audio issues. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 30 to 50% of common infotainment issues. If problems persist, advanced procedures or professional diagnosis may be required. When basic soft resets fail to resolve your 2017 VW Jetta infotainment issues, several advanced troubleshooting methods can help restore functionality. The first advanced step is performing a hard reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. This clears all temporary memory and forces a complete system reinitialization. Locate the negative battery terminal, usually marked with a minus sign and black cable. Disconnect this terminal and wait at least 15 minutes before reconnecting. After reconnecting the battery, you may need to re-enter your radio security code. This procedure has approximately a 50% success rate for software-related issues. If the hard reset doesn't work, you can attempt a factory reset through the hidden engineering menu. This is accessed by pressing 3 buttons simultaneously. Warning: this factory reset will erase all user settings, paired devices, and saved preferences. It has about a 40% success rate for persistent software issues. When software solutions fail, the problem is likely hardware-related. The most common hardware failures in 2017 Jetta infotainment systems involve specific electronic components. Capacitor degradation affects power regulation and accounts for 35% of hardware failures. Solder joint failures cause intermittent connections in 25% of cases, while display backlight failures result in black screens in 20% of units. For hardware issues, professional repair is often the most cost-effective solution. Independent specialists offer refurbishment services at significantly lower costs than dealer replacement. Independent repair shops typically achieve a 70% success rate for unit refurbishment. They can address capacitor replacement, solder joint repair, and display backlight restoration at a fraction of dealer costs. Aftermarket replacement units offer modern features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. These units typically cost between $400 and $800 and provide enhanced functionality compared to the original system. These advanced troubleshooting methods provide multiple pathways to resolve persistent infotainment issues. Choose the approach that best fits your technical comfort level and budget constraints.